In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian egg rolls. Super easy, not complicated, and the result is going to be this beautiful, delicious egg roll. This is a no-fail recipe, you guys, so you want to stick around and watch till the end. In case you're not subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button. You can also click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post videos. Now let's dive right into it. As usual, the full ingredient list and their quantities are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. I'm going to start by adding my sifted all-purpose flour. I'm also going to add some baking powder and some salt. Now I am just going to mix that and combine. You really do not need a lot when you're making egg rolls. I'm now going to add my butter, and then I'm just going to mix that thoroughly until it gives me this crumb-like texture. Basically, you just want to make sure that your butter is properly mixed or properly incorporated with the flour mixture. Now I'm going to go in with my egg and some milk. You can also alternate with water if you don't have milk, but I'm using full cream milk here, so you can also use that. Now I'm just going to mix that and combine thoroughly. This is what it looks like after mixing. As you can see, it's a little bit gummy, or a little bit sticky rather. That's not what we're looking for, so I had to add a bit of flour again to give me the consistency that we are looking for. With egg rolls, you want to make sure that the dough is a little bit well, I said stiff, not sticky or anything like that. So now I'm just going to let that rest, and while it is resting, we are going to be boiling our eggs. I'm using about 6 eggs here, and I'm just going to boil them until they are hard boiled, or they are boiled hard. Yeah, I think that's the word, right? I'm just going to boil them until done, basically, and then after boiling, I'm going to transfer them into cool water or cold water for them to like get cool before I start peeling. If you peel while they are still hot, then you might not really get, like, your eggs might not really, the shell might not really come out properly, so you want to avoid that. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're seeing a video from me, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this. I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs. I also just create premium content, and because you're watching this content, it means that you like premium content. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. You can also turn on your post notification bell. You can also like the video if you've enjoyed it so far, and leave a comment letting me know what recipes you want to see from me. Now back to the recipe. So after boiling my eggs, after peeling it, I'm just going to use some paper towel, dry out the excess moisture, and then set that aside. Now after my dough has rested, I just added a bit of flour to the tabletop, and then I'm just kneading this for like 30-ish seconds, sorry, not minutes. You don't want to overdo. I'm just rubbing a little bit of vegetable oil on my palms, just because I did not want the dough sticking to my palm. When adding vegetable oil to your palm, please be very, very careful so that it does not alter the consistency of your dough. My very first dough, which is this one, was a little bit moisty, or yeah, it just had a little bit more moisture around it, just because of the amount of vegetable oil in my hand. So you want to make sure that you are avoiding that. So just add a bit of vegetable oil. You can also use flour, but the problem with using flour is that it's going to affect like your oil at the end when you're like frying the egg roll. So you also want to avoid that. So basically what I'm just saying is less is more. A little bit of oil goes a long way. Now when you're doing this, you also want to make sure that you're sealing every possible hole. Look at what I'm doing here. Every possible hole should be sealed. If it's not sealed properly, what's going to happen is that when it gets into the oil, it's going to burst open, and you do not want that. As you can see, I'm also rolling it on the work surface, just to make sure that I'm getting my perfect round circle. Maybe not so perfect, but you get what I mean. So I'm just going to do that, and this is what we have. As you can see, I just sprinkled a little tiny bit of flour on it, and that's just it. I had my oil heating while I was doing other stuff. What you want to do is make sure that your oil is not too hot, and it is also not too cold, just in the middle, because what's going to happen if it's too cold is that it's going to soak up oil, obviously, and if it's too hot, it's going to cook fast and the inside will not be done. So you want to make sure that it's at a medium temperature. Also, you want to make sure that you're deep frying your egg roll, not just frying. You want to make sure you're deep frying it, because that's how you get the perfect egg rolls. Also, the reason my oil looks like this is because I used it to fry buns before frying this, because I cannot be wasting oil. So to achieve your proper egg rolls that are properly cooked, properly browned, and just perfect, you want to fry your egg rolls anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes to get your desired perfect egg rolls. You guys, that is all you have to do. The full ingredient list and their quantities are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. Also, let me know when you try this recipe. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok at @DanielChuko_. You can also send me a DM. You can leave a comment here. I want to know when you guys recreate these recipes. Please do not forget to click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to leave a comment. Look at the beauty. Look at this egg roll. Look at how beautiful it is. Properly cooked. That is what you're looking for. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.